Yep, here we are.
All right, guys.
Okay, so once again, we're back.
Yeah.
We are exploring bacon. Man.
Yes. How exciting.
Oh my God, yeah, just so much different styles.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Things,
Yeah.
You know, cuts. I mean, when you're looking at bacon, it's such a great piece of meat.
Right.
It's versatile.
Right.
Can be cured.
Yes.
And kept for days.
Yes.
You know, back in the old days,
That's what
Western
they did.
days, is they would dry cure it and use it and
Exactly.
have that nutrition. On
Yeah,
the,
yeah.
You know, on
Right,
the,
yeah, the
on the
jerk
path.
idea of jerky.
Right,
Yes.
exactly. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So what we're doing is, you know, just not like that old classic BLT. You know,
I like it.
white bread, mayonnaise, iceberg lettuce, tomatoes. Even though that's awesome.
It is good.
You know,
Very good.
We're going to do a little twist on it today by doing Tony's BLT.
I like it.
So
Yes.
we're going to make like a sub. You know.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so
Oh, my God.
some cool stuff. So what I like to start out with is, you know, there's all different types of tomatoes you can use. You've got the chocolate tomato, the vine tomato, the plum tomato, little cherry tomatoes.
Oh, yeah.
So in here I've got yellow, red, and orange cherry tomatoes. These are nice and sweet. What we're going to put in here is we're going to do a little touch of salt. All right. We're going to do a little touch of pepper.
Of course, gonna do pepper and tomatoes.
Some fresh chopped chives.
Like it.
Yeah. Throw these right in there, give that nice little flavor.
Very cool.
Okay.
Yes, this is
You're
definitely a
wondering-
little different from our...
Yeah, you're thinking, I thought we were having a BLT,
Yeah.
right? Not making a salad.
Yeah, I like it.
So what I'm making is basically a trio tomato remoulade with some arugula, a little white balsamic vinegar, a touch of
Very
olive
nice.
oil, and this is going to be the topper on top of our bacon.
Very cool.
You know, along with, of course, our mayonnaise.
I like
you know,
it. I
because you
like
got to
it.
have mayonnaise.
Yeah, you gotta
on
have
the
mayonnaise.
BLT. All right, so
Okay, yeah.
we were on mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise,
So you
yes.
have all different styles of mayonnaise. You know, we have mayonnaise that is vegan now. We got mayonnaise that's made with olive oil. You got that zesty taste of Miracle Whip. I prefer regular mayonnaise. You know, nice creamy mayonnaise, natural mayonnaise, garlic mayonnaise, chipotle mayonnaise. Just, you
And
know.
of course, you can add sriracha to it as well.
Right,
if you want to do
sriracha,
mayo.
yeah, exactly. So there's all
Yeah.
different kinds of mayonnaise that you can kick up that sandwich a little bit.
Exactly.
You know, so we have our salt, pepper, and in our tricolored tomatoes and the little chives. Again, we're going to add just a touch of white balsamic vinegar, you know, just a couple drops. You know, the salt on the tomatoes is already going to draw out some acidity to give you a nice little sauce.
Yes.
And then, of course, a little Antonello olive oil.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Gotta have our olive oil on
Gotta
there.
have that olive oil.
Yes.
Okay. So we're gonna let that toss. We're gonna put in the arugula. All right. What I love about arugula, it's got a nice little peppery flavor to it.
I love arugula.
Yeah, just, you know, put a different bite to it than a regular lettuce. So we're gonna mix this up and let this marinate while we cook our bacon.
Very nice. Marinating.
Yes,
This one.
marinating.
I like it.
So we want to get that all nice and tossed. All right.
Awesome.
So when we're talking bacons, you know, again.
I know. What's your favorite?
Well, me personally, I love a pepper bacon.
Oh,
you know, or a thick hunter's bacon.
Okay.
You know, those
okay,
are
so that's like kind of like almost like a Canadian bacon?
almost.
Okay.
This right behind you here is a
Oh, yeah.
hunter's bacon.
Okay.
Basically a Danish bacon or a hunter's bacon, they call it, and they've smoked this. What I've done is I've cut it nice and thick, and what we're going to do is we're going to grill it.
Okay.
Give it a little bit different flavor and texture.
Nice.
But there's all sorts of bacons. I mean, you got black pepper bacon, you got beef bacon, you got turkey bacon, you got thick cut bacon, you got hickory smoked bacon, natural bacon, uncured bacon. You know,
There's
just
so many.
So many. Canadian bacon.
Canadian
You know,
bacon, yeah. There's
you
the
know.
beef bacon back here too.
Right, yeah, the beef bacon.
I had
yeah.
no
So,
idea.
yeah, so there's a lot of different types of bacon, even vegan bacon.
Right.
You know,
gotta be a
but
vegan bacon.
gotta be a vegan bacon. You know, so we've got some nice bacons going here. What I'm going to do is we're going to. That's all right.
Oh,
we're going to
that's
take
okay.
one of these nice fresh sub rolls that have been baked in our bakery department.
Oh.
All right.
So this is where you get the sub. Because normally when I do BLT, I just use like white bread.
White bread toast,
wheat-
right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's
So
a little
what
different.
I want to do is I want to right on this grill is we're going to kind of get these toasted up a little bit. You can see that
Nice.
smoke coming up. Get some nice flavor on there.
Yeah.
Get some nice grill marks on there. We're going to pull that up. Okay.
Yeah, guys, we're
So
using
we got
a
some
grill
nice,
for this one.
So some
With
nice,
char marks.
some nice char marks.
Nice.
And then the same thing with the bacon. So we're going to put this right on here. Get this going. Okay. What do you want? 7, 8, 9 slices?
I know, right? I know. Let's just load it on
All right.
here.
We'll start out with the 3. Okay. All right. So we're going to get some nice cooking. What's nice about this bacon, the hunter's bacon or the Danish bacon from our deli, all those bacons are smoked and cured. you can eat them.
Yeah.
You don't have to cook them.
Okay.
But it's nice to get a little crispness on them.
Very cool.
Break down those fats a little bit.
Very cool.
Get some nice color on them. You know. So on here, got our nice grill marks here. What I'm going to use, and you know, you can make any kind of flavor mayonnaise you want.
Yeah.
But there's so many varieties.
There's a lot here.
Lemonades.
Yeah.
You know, I'm going to use a roasted garlic.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. So we're going to put that on.
And there's all these different oil ones now too. Like there's
Right.
avocado
Yeah,
oil.
there's an avocado.
Sunflower oil.
Sunflower, yes.
So yeah, there's. I mean, really, when it comes to mayonnaise, there's just a huge variety. We've got some of them here, but I don't think that even got all of them.
No,
Yeah.
So we'll just spread that around a little bit. That'll give us a nice seal.
Smell that bacon.
All right, we're gonna flip this bacon.
Oh yeah, here, do you want me to?
Yeah, look at those nice marks on there. Doesn't that look sharp?
Very cool.
Yeah. So we're gonna get that bacon flipped over.
Yeah, this is a. You know, you can do this on the grill.
On the
But
grill.
you could griddle at home too.
Yeah, the grill at home. If you have one of these cast iron
Yeah.
pans, you can get the marks on there, or just fry it.
Just fry it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you know what I mean. Just put it in a nice hot fry pan.
Yeah.
Sear it off, get a crispness to it,
Right.
get that flavor in it.
Now, what do you think about baking bacon?
Baking, you know, when I'm making bacon, and, you know, especially I've got 4 boys.
Yeah.
You know, they eat a ton of bacon.
Uh-huh.
So, you know, my little fry pan, I
Doesn't
can't
cut
cook
it.
it
Yeah,
fast
you
enough.
can mess up where
Yeah,
they eat it.
because they're coming back, you know,
Yeah.
fast and eating it like crazy. So I like to put it on a sheet pan,
Very cool.
layer it out, and then you bake it at 350.
And then they have to wait.
Yeah, 20, 25 minutes, but when it comes out,
Yeah.
you've got 20, 30
Exactly.
pieces then.
Yep.
And what's nice about that is you can season it the way you like it.
Right.
So you can do brown sugar,
Ooh.
maple syrup, black pepper, you know, and give it any kind of flavor
Try
you want.
that.
Yeah, a little dry chipotle.
Very cool.
Yeah, so you can do some different seasonings with that and get some really nice
Okay.
flavors in that. All right, so here we've got our bread.
Yep.
It's all
Our
nice
bread.
and lathered with some
Yep.
nice roasted garlic mayonnaise. We've got our 3-color tomato arugula topping that we're going to put on this. Our bacon is sizzling and smoking.
That
Oh
is
my
getting
God.
ready.
Yeah, smell
I
that flavor.
love it.
Right. So we're going to put a little bit of this arugula right on the bottom of the sandwich.
Okay.
With the tomatoes. Okay. And to do just like that. We're going to make some layers with this bacon here.
Yep.
This is ready to go. Again, we're just getting it nice and hot and ready. Now, this kind of bacon doesn't get crispy like your traditional bacon.
Yes.
So if you like crispy, you got to go with one of the
Right.
regular
Right.
type of bacons. Hunter's bacon, Canadian bacon.
It's thicker
smoked-
bacon.
Right,
Yeah.
But it's a thicker bacon,
Yeah.
and it's not as fatty because it's already been cooked.
Right.
You know, by the
Right,
smoke.
right. Yep.
So you don't get that crispiness. Right, exactly.
Yeah, I like this one. That's like an English breakfast.
Right.
Typically is with the tomato and the big, thick bacon.
Yes, yes. So we're going to put this right on here. All right, get that right on there. I'm going to show you. Don't worry.
Yeah,
You're gonna
don't
see
worry,
it.
guys.
You're going to see it.
And again, we're
All right.
we're making this awesome video for
So-
National BLT Month.
Yeah,
so,
look at what we got going here.
Yeah, a
You know,
real
so nice thick
Tony's
bacons, nice
BLT.
flavors, right?
Yeah.
Real get in there and bite type thing.
Yeah.
So I want to do just a little bit more tomato right on the top like
Very
this.
nice.
Give it a little bit more flavor, a little bit more arugula. All right. So we're gonna put this over here. We're gonna top our sandwich here.
Oh wow.
All right. Oh my God.
Oh, you gotta show them.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut it in half. Show you exactly what this looks like. All right.
Oh my gosh.
So look at that. Oh.
That is
Yeah. Does that look
amazing.
awesome? Smells good.
Oh yeah. Oh,
yeah.
thank you.
Yeah, we're gonna
Oh.
taste it too. So this is that kind of where it's that Chicago stance.
Yeah,
You gotta
you gotta
bend
go,
over.
yep.
Gotta do the bend over. Oh. All those different flavors.
I was gonna say regular BLTs are good, but
Yeah.
this is too good.
We got the pepper in this, we got arugula.
Oh yeah. And just the tomatoes. There's so many tomatoes. You're getting a tomato in every bite.
Right, so
Yeah.
that's why I like doing the tomato
Yeah.
salad, that trio of flavors.
Right.
With a little salt and pepper.
Absolutely.
It really adds to the sandwich.
Thank you. I know it's a little messy, guys.
Yeah.
But a good BLT is messy.
Yes, a good
Yeah.
BLT should be messy.
Yes.
But, you know, have fun with it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Try different things. How about fried green tomatoes on
Oh
there?
my God, I
Would that be
love
awesome?
fried green
You know,
tomato.
and do like a chipotle mayonnaise?
Yes.
Yeah.
But sometimes we put eggs on our BLT.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, so kind of like a breakfast sandwich, but
But
different.
yeah, but a little bit of
Yeah,
tomato
exactly.
and yeah,
Yeah.
that's awesome.
That's good.
Yeah, so you just have fun. You know, you don't have to be limited to white bread and
Right.
iceberg lettuce.
Exactly.
You know, we have all different types of lettuce.
Yes.
This sweet and crunchy is awesome. It's 2 different type of butter lettuces. gives it a nice creaminess from the lettuce,
From the
and
butterless,
sweetness,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
You know, different kinds of springs, baby spinach,
Yeah,
with,
and regular
butter.
spinach, too.
And regular romaine
Yeah.
and regular spinach. Again, have fun with it. Be creative. You know, put some nice colors and flavors together. Make that party in your mouth.
Very cool. Yeah, and if you guys are watching for National BLT Month, we want to know what BLTs you like to make. What you like to add on to it. Something crazy, something sweet, something
Yeah,
salty.
give me some ideas, because I'm always willing to have a sandwich.
Exactly. So, yeah.
Absolutely.
Well, thanks, guys, for watching BLT
you.
Month here. We've got Dino and Nicole. We'll see you on the next video.
All right, thanks.
Thanks.